Good evening. And how familiar are you with the 2026 Nissan Z Sport? Now, as of right now, this vehicle does not have a safety rating. Well, however, the fuel economy for the automatic version is 19 for city, 28 for highway, and 22 combined. Now, for the manual, it's 18 for city, 24 for highway, and 20 combined. While the basic warranty lasts up to 3 years with 36,000 miles, the powertrain warranty is 5 years for 60,000 miles, and the corrosion warranty is 5 years with unlimited amount of miles. The roadside assistance, however, is just 3 years up to 36,000 miles. While my favorite part about this vehicle is a 12.3 digital dashboard with fully digital gauges. Thank you. Now have a good night.